The entrance is open to visitors from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., with the last visiting hour at 5 p.m. Hanoi time. Currently, only Chinese and Vietnamese nationals are eligible to visit the site, and tourists from one country are not permitted to stay overnight in the other. The site's pilot operation from September 15, 2023 to September 15, 2024 welcomed over 13,000 visitors, with security and order well maintained. After the official opening, 2 Vietnamese tourist groups and 4 Chinese groups, each consisting of 20 members, explored the area.
Ban Gioc Waterfall is beautiful from the Vietnam side, and it looks amazing from the China side too. Immigration procedures are fast. I enjoyed the tour very much. It's beautiful. This is the first time I've seen such scenery. Everyone should visit at least once.
The Ban Gioc Detian Waterfalls is expected to become an eco-friendly cross-border tourism model, helping Cao Bang province capitalize on its tourism strengths to boost socio-economic development, while promoting friendship and mutual understanding between border localities of Vietnam and China.